Making friends as an adult can feel challenging. Between busy schedules, work, and other responsibilities, it's not always easy to find the time or opportunities to connect with new people. But building meaningful friendships is essential for a happy, fulfilling life, especially as we get older. In this video, we're going to share practical, real-life tips on how you can make friends as an adult. Whether you're new to a city, looking to expand your social circle, or just trying to reconnect with people. From joining activities you enjoy to using apps designed for meeting new friends, these tips will help you find and nurture genuine connections. Let's dive in. Join groups or activities. Joining groups or engaging in activities you enjoy is one of the easiest ways to meet like-minded people. Whether it's a fitness class, a book club, or a volunteering opportunity, being around people with similar interests creates natural conversation starters. Shared hobbies help break the ice, making the transition from acquaintances to friends smoother. Look for local events or online communities where people gather to do things you're passionate about. If you love cooking, consider signing up for a cooking class. If you're into fitness, joining a local running or yoga group can be a great way to bond with others over shared goals. The key is consistency. Showing up regularly helps build familiarity and trust over time, creating opportunities to connect with others more deeply. Be open to new experiences. Sometimes, making friends as an adult requires stepping out of your comfort zone. Be open to trying new experiences, attending events, or participating in workshops you wouldn't typically go to. By exposing yourself to new environments, you increase the chances of meeting people you wouldn't otherwise encounter. Maybe there's a local event you've been curious about but have never attended. Or perhaps a friend invites you to a social gathering where you don't know many people. Accept these invitations as opportunities to expand your social network. You don't have to become best friends with everyone, but the more you expose yourself to new people and experiences, the greater your chances of forming meaningful connections. Use social media and apps. In today's digital age, social media and apps have made it easier to meet new people. Platforms like Meetup or Bumble BFF are designed specifically for connecting adults with others who share similar interests. Meetup, for example, allows you to join local groups based on your hobbies and interests, from hiking to board games. Bumble BFF functions similarly to dating apps, but is focused on finding friendships. Using these tools can help you find like-minded people in your area, even if you're not naturally outgoing. The key is to be active on these platforms. Don't be afraid to reach out to people or join events. These apps provide a low-pressure way to meet potential friends and, with a little initiative, can lead to lasting relationships. Reconnect with old acquaintances. Sometimes, building new friendships doesn't require starting from scratch. Reconnecting with old acquaintances, whether they're former colleagues, classmates, or childhood friends, can be a great way to form new bonds. With today's technology, it's easier than ever to find and reach out to people you've lost touch with. Send a message, invite them to catch up over coffee, or engage with their social media posts. Rekindling old connections can feel more comfortable since you already have shared history. While it may feel awkward to reconnect at first, most people appreciate when someone takes the initiative to reach out. You may find that your past connections have grown into people you now have more in common with as adults, providing a strong foundation for a renewed friendship. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more practical advice on topics just like this. We've got plenty more tips coming your way. Be approachable and show interest. Making friends isn't just about finding the right people. It's also about how you present yourself. Being approachable plays a big role in forming connections. A simple smile, eye contact, and open body language can make a world of difference when meeting someone new. People are more likely to engage with you if they sense that you're friendly and welcoming. In addition, showing genuine interest in others is key. Ask open-ended questions and be curious about their thoughts, experiences, and interests. Avoid dominating the conversation with your own stories. Instead, focus on building rapport by listening and responding thoughtfully. Friendships are built on mutual respect and understanding, and showing that you're interested in others helps build the foundation for a lasting connection. Practice active listening. Active listening is a powerful tool when building friendships. Many people are so focused on what they want to say next that they forget to really listen to what the other person is saying. To practice active listening, give the person your full attention when they speak, maintain eye contact, and avoid interrupting. Nod or give verbal cues to show you're engaged. Ask follow-up questions that show you're paying attention, and try to avoid steering the conversation back to yourself too quickly. Active listening makes the other person feel valued and understood, which is crucial for developing deeper relationships. Over time, they'll appreciate your attentiveness and may feel more comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings with you, helping to build a closer bond. Take initiative. Building friendships often requires taking the first step. Don't be afraid to be the one who makes plans or reaches out. Invite someone you've just met for a coffee, suggest going to a concert, or organize a small gathering. Taking initiative shows confidence and interest, which are both attractive qualities in a potential friend. It also sets the stage for future interactions. If someone turns down an invitation, don't be discouraged, they may just be busy at the time. Follow up later with another invitation or idea. Being proactive in maintaining contact and organizing get-togethers helps keep the momentum going in a friendship. Remember, most people appreciate when someone else takes the lead in organizing social interactions, so don't hesitate to make the first move. Be consistent. Consistency is key in developing any kind of relationship, including friendships. It's not enough to meet someone once and expect an immediate bond. Building trust and rapport takes time and regular interaction. Make an effort to follow up with people after your initial meeting. Send a text or message to check in, or invite them to join you for an activity. Consistent communication shows that you value the relationship and are interested in keeping it going. Regular interaction also gives you the opportunity to learn more about each other and build a deeper connection. While it's important to be consistent, it's also important not to overwhelm the other person. Find a balance that feels natural and respects both your and their boundaries. Be patient and persistent. Building meaningful friendships doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, as strong relationships are built on trust, time, and shared experiences. Don't get discouraged if you don't click with someone immediately or if it feels like it's taking longer to develop a close bond. Friendships, like any relationship, grow gradually. Be persistent in your efforts and don't give up after a few unsuccessful attempts. If a connection doesn't develop with one person, it doesn't mean you won't connect with someone else. Keep putting yourself out there and continue to make an effort to meet new people. Over time, you'll build a network of meaningful relationships that enrich your life and provide support when you need it. Making friends as an adult may take a little effort, but it's definitely worth it. Remember, it's all about putting yourself out there, being open, and staying patient. We hope these tips have given you some ideas on how to build meaningful connections in your life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that helps you grow and thrive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.